Hey guys, it's me Atharv and welcome back to our channel Gossipfunda. So in this video we are going to learn how to fix earphones in which one side is not working. So let's get started. So first of all, try connecting another pair of earphones to your phone to check if there is no problem with your phone. If the music plays in this earphone, then you're good to go. Now try cleaning the earphone jack of your faulty earphones with some sanitizer or rubbing alcohol. Now put it in your phone and try playing some music. Now you'll see that only one earphone is working. Now gradually try to straighten your earphone until a point where the both of earphones starts working. After doing this, observe the exact spot you touch that gets both earphones working. Since the cord around that spot may have been weakened, you should wrap a paper tape around the spot to keep it straight. And this should fix your issue. If still one of your earphones is not working, this might be the issue of your phone's headphone port. So try cleaning it with some cotton swab or anything which you can insert in it and try cleaning the dirt out of it. If none of these steps helps you in fixing your earphone, then there might be a damaged wire inside of it which can't be repaired. So you can't do anything if that's the case. So now you need to throw these pairs and get a new one. I hope this video was helpful and solved your issue. Don't forget to check out our blog for latest technology update. Link will be in the description box below. Thank you for watching the video till the end. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel and share the video if this was helpful.